Guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on JKTube, which is me. So, we're going to be playing a prank on my mom. It's going to be a farting prank, but we're going to use the sound machine. So they have all sorts like clapping, happy face, mad face, face, missile face, shotgun face, glass breaking, ching, dollar, drum, music, spring, a light bulb, whistle, screamer, and a fart we're going to be using, and then we have the fart one. The burping one, my bad. This one's the farting. So, let's hear it. So, we're going to be putting it in my pocket. I'm going to be holding it. Then I'm just going to walk by. Then press the button and say, oh, that was so good. And let's see how she reacts. Let's start on the prank. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, that feels so good.
Gross.
Oh, let me just do it one more time. Oh, it's so good. Oh. And by the way, here's my dog. Hello. Oh. Oh, yes, sound machine worked. She didn't really have a reaction, but she said, gross. That's all what she said. She didn't say, oh, go to the bathroom. Did you crap your pants? She didn't say that. But she did have a tiny reaction. So, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. Okay. So, say bye, fart machine sound.